We got a call that a small blue hatchback was involved in a robbery. So we requested all the camera footage of the area and we got this drone shot. Playing it back, we can see several cars in the area, including the small blue hatchback. This is our target car. After a while, the occupants were seen leaving the car and continuing on foot, climbing to the rooftops. Hence, we switched to the person identification. Here is the footage of one camera where we can see the suspects changing. Switching to the thumbnail view, we can have our first identifications. Playing the clip back slowly, we can get a frame where the person is clearly identifiable. The map view shows us where this image was taken. Combining this data with another identification and another coordinate, we were able to surround the suspects. This is how Intelion helps us to close our cases quicker.